Hello everyone, let's go with one more new chemistry topic today, that is preparation of inorganic liquid reagents, right? So when we are dealing with a lab, we must know how to prepare some reagents and dilute solutions. So usually in the laboratory, the prepared chemical solutions and reagents will be available. Sometimes few of the reagents are not available, so that whenever we are doing the experiment, we must prepare these dilute solutions and then we have to carry out the experiment, right? So for that purpose, let's discuss how to prepare these inorganic liquid reagents in our today's class. So coming to one of the liquid reagent, that is cobalt nitrate solution. How to prepare this, what are the chemical reagents required for preparation of this, and how to carry out the preparation method. Let's discuss all this in today's class. So coming to the chemical formula of this cobalt nitrate solution, it is CONO3 taken twice, 6H2O is the chemical formula of cobalt nitrate solution, right? So coming to what are the chemicals required for preparation of this solution. So here mainly we require two chemicals, that is one is cobalt nitrate in solid state, either it is available in the crystals or pellets, right? So next one we require a distilled water which is available in the chemistry lab. So these are the two things we require in preparation of this solution. So let's see now how to prepare this. That means what is the procedure involved in preparation of this cobalt nitrate solution. So coming to the procedure, first we need to take a volumetric flask which is cleaned, and the volumetric flask volume must be of 1 liter. Okay, so we must take a volumetric flask of 1 liter volume, and then we have to weigh about 72.7 grams of cobalt nitrate which is available in the solid state, right? So after taking this 72.7 grams, we have to transfer this cobalt nitrate into the volumetric flask what we have taken, which was around 1 liter volume. After we have transferred that solid crystals into the volumetric flask, then we have to add a little amount of distilled water first. Then we should make that crystals to be dissolved in the little amount of distilled water. After the complete crystals are dissolved in the little amount of distilled water, now the rest part of the volumetric flask, which was 1 liter, completely we have to add with more distilled water. Okay, so after finally when we add the complete distilled water to make the solution into 1 liter, because the volumetric flask volume was also 1 liter and the solution content what we are preparing is also for 1 liter. So rest of the volume is added with this distilled water. So in this way we can prepare the solution or the liquid reagent, that is cobalt nitrate solution, by using these chemicals, right? So thank you. In the next video let's go with the one more chemical reagent preparation.